Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by removing loose paint, dust, and grease from the wall surface using a stiff brush. Scrape off any peeling material until the substrate is solid and stable. Mix joint compound and fill cracks and holes to about 1/8 inch depth and feather the edges with a 6-inch putty knife. Allow repairs to dry fully for at least 24 hours at room temperature. Sand the patched areas with 120 to 220 grit paper until smooth and even to touch. Wipe the wall with a damp microfiber cloth to remove sanding dust. Apply a heavy-duty primer over the entire wall. 1 gallon typically covers 300 to 400 SQ/FT. Mix a bonding skim coat product according to manufacturer directions for best adhesion. Press fiberglass mesh tape over existing joints and seams. This prevents future cracking under wallpaper. Using a 12-inch drywall knife, spread the skim coat to about 1/8 inch thickness and feather edges smoothly beyond the rough area. Work in sections no larger than 4 feet by 4 feet for even drying and control. Allow the skim coat to cure for 24 hours in normal conditions before sanding. Sand the surface with 220 grit for a smooth finish and remove all dust with a damp cloth. Inspect the wall under angled light and repeat a thin skim if any high spots remain. Select a heavy-duty wallpaper adhesive formulated for non-painted, patched, or textured walls for best bonding. Measure and cut strips allowing a 2-inch overlap at the top and bottom to square the pattern. Apply paste to the wall or to the paper as the product requires, then fold the pasted paper onto itself and book for about 5 minutes. Align the first strip plumb, smooth from the center outward with a vinyl smoother, and use a 3/5-inch seam roller to press seams firmly. Trim excess at top and bottom with a sharp 45-degree blade, changing blades often for clean cuts. Wipe away paste residue immediately with a damp sponge and pull bubbles gently toward the seams while smoothing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.